Guys, what's up? Today I'm working on a Mazda 6 2018. I'm gonna show you how to change your front hub on a 2018 Mazda 6, and it's the same thing for the CX-5 and maybe the same thing for the 3. All right, so guys, take off the tire. What you're gonna need to do now, it's gonna be 21 millimeter, and it's gonna be the same process from 2013 all the way up to 2019 or 2018, I should say. I'm not sure. This is a 2018, and it's the same process from the 2013 to remove the wheel bearings or hub, however you call it. So let me get my gloves and get back. So yeah, we get the tire off. Tires on there. We will need to take off this right here. It should be 17 millimeter. Take off the caliper, so it should be 217 millimeter. So let me get the light on so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so we're going to need to take off the caliper. You're going to have one right here, another one right here. Take that off. And it's going to be 17 millimeter, so got it right here. I'm gonna hook it up. You can use a bungee cord if you want, or if you have a hook. But you just need to support this. You can even leave it right here if you want, just to support it so you don't handle the brake line. Alright, so that's good so far. So we good so far. Now it's time for me to take off the rotor. The rotor is stuck onto the hub, so I'm going to spray some WD-40, let it sit for a little bit, and then give it some knock with a hammer. Alright, got the WD-40 right here. Spray some in there, spray some in there, some in there, some in there, some all the way around, and some in there, and then let it sit for a little bit. We're going to take off the center bolt, the center nut, our axle nut, and it's going to be 1.25 inches. Don't know how that is, how much that is in metric. Probably 24 or something like that. No, it's way big. Probably 34, I should say, not 24, 34. But I'm not sure. It's 1.25 inches. You can Google that if you want. So this is where we had so far. As you can see, it's also stuck into the spline. I can't push it back, and we're gonna need that to be free also. So let's get a hammer over here. Alright, so I got a recorder right. I got a hammer right here. You're just gonna use this part. And that's stuck also. I'm trying to knock it like this, but it's not moving. So what we're gonna do is get a WD-40, spray it in there, and let it sit. Alright, and get this, screw this on. It's about to get real. You want to put it to like where it's flush with the here, so you don't damage the threading. So time to take off the rotor. As you can see, knock it a few times. It come loose. You see the WD-40 went all the way in here and get it loose. So let's just sit for a little bit and see what's gonna happen right here. And back here you will see 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are also right here 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's what hold the hub. So we're gonna need to take that off. So let's see. Alright, so I let it sit for a few. I'm gonna knock it right like this. As you can see, it moves. Okay, you check back here, you can see you have a lot of space. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the wheel to get more access back there. So I'm gonna turn the wheel out. Alright. And you can see a ton of access. You're probably gonna need to turn the wheel the other way to get that one over there. But let's see. And also they're gonna be 14 millimeter. I don't know if you can see 14 right there. I take out 2 already. That's the third one. And get to the other one. So I'll have to turn it the other way to get to the other one, okay? So I'll turn it the other side just to get to the other one over here. Take this back off right here. Alright. Alright, so let's take it and pull back on it at the same time. Okay. Got it out. And here that. And here is the new one right here. So get that out of the way. Here's the new one. You just put it back on the same way you take this one off. You want to line up the grooves inside here. Line up back the holes and put back your screws, your bolt sections. All right. So guys, before you tighten up these right here, you want to make sure you catch all 4 of them before you tighten them. Alright, so let's get to that. So yeah guys, everything is all, bring the camera up here, everything is all nice and tight back here. Okay, and you can go ahead and put back your axle nut and tighten this back. You can Google the torque spec, because I don't remember it off my head, but you can go ahead and Google the torque spec and tighten that. Alright, after your nut is tightened, go ahead and put on the rotor. Morning. What's up, bro? Alright, so time to put on the caliper. Set your pads, make sure your pads are level. Alright. Alright guys, so You want to double check your work, so you want to check these two bolts right here. Make sure they're tight. You want to check these 4 bolts right here. Make sure they're tight. You also want to check this right here also to make sure it's tight. And after that, you can go ahead and put on the tire. Alright, so let's put on the tire. Guys, if you're still here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So that's it, guys. Everything is all good. Car is on the ground. Open the door. And since we take off the brake, you just want to give it a nice little pump. Get the back some pedal. Crank the car up. Okay.
7 Northwest 77
So, turn that down for copyright purposes, and that's good, guys. That's real good. So thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time. All right.